Hi everyone, this is Kathy, and I want to show you this GE Smart Water MWF refrigerator water filter. Now this is a sealed one, and you will have to peel off the top and everything and just follow the easy instructions for installing this filter. Now it comes in a set of 2. And you should replace this, I want to say, every 6 months. Now, this fits select GE side-by-side and bottom freezer refrigerators. This filter helps to reduce some of the impurities from your drinking water and to taste better. Thanks for watching.